All right, real estate investors and realtors. Absorption rate is something you should really understand. And what it is how long it takes for a home to sell in a specific market over a period of time. So let's start. Pick a period of time. Let's just say 12 months. Break it down in your MLS. 12 months, solds, actives, single family, condo, townhouse, multifamilies, whatever you're investing in. Find out how many sold in the last 12 months. Let's just say 24 homes sold in last 12 months. That equals to 2 homes a month on average. Now, if you go back in the MLS and see 6 available homes are available, it will take approximately 3 months to sell that home if priced properly. So you need to break it down very specifically. Single home, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, so you know exactly what the market has to offer for that particular home that you're investing in or looking to flip. This is a very important to know, especially if you calculate your carrying costs as a real estate investor. So any questions? REI4Dummies.com, REI4Dummies.com.